Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change date and time format in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 Start menu, just right click over on it and click here Settings. After click over Settings in the left side, you need to find here something say Time and Language. After click over Time and Language in the right side, you need to find here something say Language and Region. After click over Language and Region, you need to see skin appear just like this. You need to click here Administrative Language Setting. After click over administrative language setting, you can see a pop-up appear. You to choose here this format tab. After click over format tab, you're going to find here something say short date, long date. If you want to change the short date, how it's going to look like, you need to just choose here. There is a different kind of date available. For example, right now my one is DDMMMYY. You can see my date is up here 9 April 2022. If you want to change it, you can easily choose any of them. For example, I want to choose YYYMMDD. If I choose it and if I click here apply, we will see now it's appear the year is first, then month, and then the day. Also, you can choose any format you want. From here, there is a bunch of format available, and it's going to be appeared just like this. Also, if you want to change the time format, you can easily choose any time you want. You can see it's immediately changing. If we choose here, it is if I click here, apply, and that's going to be appear new time. So within this way, you can easily change time and date format in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.